Assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody. In this tutorial we will look how to build SDN network using Docker containers. So what you will need is Docker, of course. Then you need also Open Virtual Switch, and you need to install OVS Docker. This installation is available in this link. So I have already done this. So after that, what you need to do is to create bridge and using Open Virtual Switch controller and set its settings. Then create two busy box that will work as two hosts in the network and connect them to the bridge that you have already created here using OVS Docker. That's why we'll need the OVS Docker utility. Then we will create Faucet container and set its configuration file. So let's start. We'll create the network first. Then we will make its setting fail mode as secure. Then we'll give it configure its IP. Then we'll set default open flow protocol to be 1.3. Then we'll set the default controller to be running in the host machine, although it will work in the controller, but we will see later how we are gonna to make it as if it is running in the host machine. Now we will need the ID of the switch to configure the Faucet container to communicate with this and accept it as one of the switch that is going to control. Now we will run the Docker busy box. We'll run this here. Then the second one here. If you notice ffconfig, you see that it doesn't have any network card because we added to network none. None means it doesn't connect to any network. After that, we will connect it to the Docker bridge, Open Virtual Switch bridge 1 that we have just created. So yeah, this is the first one and the second one as well. Let us check them back. If we check this back, we see it has already interface now, and this one as well. If we try to ping, it doesn't work. It shouldn't work ping because we set the bridge by default to be in secure mode. Now let's run the Faucet. Create the Faucet container. You see, we put the Faucet container in host network. That means it will run as if it is inside the host machine. That's why when we came to configure the Open Virtual Switch bridge, we set its controller to be as if it is inside the host machine. Now what you need is to configure the Faucet YAML file. So what we will do is we'll copy this ID, and they have already a sample of Faucet file. I will copy this now. Yes, then I will go here and I'll install just this editor. Then now etc rio new faucet. This is the default directory, then faucet.yaml, and I'll paste this one. Basically say block this traffic and allow the rest. So both hosts are in VLAN 100, so it will allow them to communicate. And let's run faucet now. Rio manager. You should notice after just communicate with the switch, it should allow the install the flows and allow the traffic to communicate, to go through. So that's all. Thanks for watching.